Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So this week I have a super cute natural hair tutorial and product review by Lovrio hair extensions. So make sure that you all stay tuned so you know exactly what you need to achieve this hairstyle. So to start, we're going to start out with 3 large parts going horizontally. Once that is complete, we're just going to begin to style the back section of our hair. So what we're going to do is just create 5 to 6 flat twists going directly back. Once they are done, then we're going to bend to knot our ends, and then from there we're just going to repeat that all throughout the back section of our hair. Once that is complete, your hair should now look something like this. From here, we're going to begin to work on this middle section of our hair, which is going to be super simple. We're just going to create 1 large flat twist going horizontally. And just like that, we are done, and you can see our flat twist. Alright, and last but not least, we're going to focus on this front section of our hair. So all we're going to do is divide it in half, and with each section, we're just going to create flat twist. And I'm going for more of a headband look, so that's why my twists are going to be twisted in 2 opposite directions. And again, you could do French braids if that's what you prefer. And that's it, y'all. So once your hair is flat twisted, this is what your head should now look like. Alright y'all, so we're almost done. So what I'm going to do next is just begin to unravel all of my bantu knots. And so from there, I'm going to begin to bobby pin my hair. That's right, I'm going to bobby pin all of my hair down so that way I'll be able to lay my tracks nice and neatly. So there's no particular way I do this, it's just really important that all of your hair is laid down and out of the way. Alright y'all, that's it for day 1. It is now time for us to wrap our hair, and I will see y'all on day 2. So it's day 2, and this is what my hair now looks like. So now it's time for the fun part. We are about to apply our tracks, but really quickly I wanted to give you all a close-up of what they look like. So on the inside of each track, you're going to have some hair clips, or even comparable to wig clips. So they open up and close just by the press of your finger, and you're going to hear a little snap. So this is what you're also going to insert into your flat twist, and that's it y'all. You're going to pin and clip them in, and that is it. So easy, so simple. Here is our first track. That's what it looks like, and we're just going to build on top of this and repeat those exact same steps. And just like that y'all, we are now done with installation, and this is what our hair now looks like. Now it is time for the final reveal. And voila ladies, that's a wrap. Our final product. I am so pleased with this hair. It is just so beautiful, so soft, so light, and so realistic. I definitely give this hair and this hair company a 10. Okay y'all, so let's go ahead and jump on into this Lovrio review. I am loving the curl pattern, the length, the body, everything about it. So first things first, Lovrio is primarily online, and I will drop the link below so that you all know how to access some of this hair. So in my hair right now, I have Brazilian wavy hair. So I have some that are 12 inches, so it'll be this shorter hair, and some that are 14 inches, all right? Now you all have seen my hair, so you know my curl pattern is not this loose at all. To me, this is giving me more like texture 3 type hair. So mine is definitely in the 4s, but still it looks like it could be mine, you know, and so I definitely appreciate that. One other thing that I absolutely love about this hair is that it is human hair. This go round, before I installed this hair, I washed this hair, I soaked it in a conditioner and water, of course. I rinsed it out, let it dry, and then a day or 2 later I went ahead and dampened the hair and applied some leave-in conditioner, and from there I combed the hair out. and this is what I have. So whenever this hair gets stale, all I do is get some water and oil and I spritz it and it comes back alive. So super easy, super manageable. All right, so unfortunately I do not have the box to show you all because this is my second time filming this review, but I do have some photos at the end of this video so that you can see what the hair looked like originally, the box and everything like that. Overall, I am loving this hair and this look. Now I know you can see the top of my track a little bit, but to me it's not so bad unless you're like really looking at my hair. But some people, when they do looks like this, they would unravel probably like this twist and wear their real hair out, and that is okay if your track match your hair texture, but this does not. You all know the ends of my hair, they're not black. At this point they're a really dark brown, but it wouldn't match with this hair, and also my hair texture is not going to match with this either, so that's why I did not do that. I wanted to see if I could achieve an overall protective style, and I did, and I like it. I'm cool with it. To each their own. Do your thing, okay? So again, this is my Lovrio hair extension, and I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial and this look just as much as I have. Again, I'm gonna have all of the information to this hair in the description box below. Please check out Lovrio. Even if you've never used hair extensions like me, y'all, I'm now a fan. Okay, so if anybody else has some hair extensions y'all want me to try, go ahead and send them over because I absolutely love them. All right, so I look forward to seeing you all really soon. Bye.